Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What is this? Tissue box. What is this? Tissue box. Tissue box. Tissue box. And what is this? Tree. 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 What is this? Yes, it is two. Two. Tissue box. What is the initial sound of the tissue? Tissue. Tree. What is the initial sound of the tree? Tree. Two. What is the initial sound of the two? Two. Let's learn how to write t sound. Bismillah. Go down, curve, lift, across. Now make t in center and with Play-Doh. Look at this worksheet. We have to match the sound with the picture. Tree, tree, yes. Its initial sound is t. T parrot, no. T igloo, no. T lips, no. T tissue box, yes, it is. Now please match the tissue box with t sound and tree with t sound.
See you later with the next letter, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.